use Cybake for?
Cybake helps, obviously when you've got a lot of products coming in, you need to know what is selling, and you need to forecast what you're going to sell. So you take, for example, something simple like gingerbread men. You need to know what was sold, what you're going to sell next week. So what Cybake does, it looks at the last 6 weeks, gives you an average and gives you a cover, so you can say, I'm going to sell this many, and it will give you a cover so that you don't run out. That's essentially what it's doing on every product, for me, from sandwiches, bread, everything. It takes a headache out of thinking, what am I going to have to make next day? And it does it instantly.
Do you think that it has affected your business positively?
Cybake, yeah, definitely, because it gives you peace of mind as well, because it's doing a stock control. So basically, has anything wasting? Is anything gone missing? Has the deliveries been accepted? Which is a big thing when even with 1 or 2 shops, you will need to know: is everything being sold that you're making? Is anything going missing? Is anything getting wasted? You could be making things and you're wasting your time, because it's your people at the shops tell you, yeah, we've been busy with that. We've been really busy. But when you look at it, a lot's been wasted. Some stuff's been wasted, So you need to know what's getting sold, what's being wasted, and you can see it gives you on the screen. It gives you a nice 4-week path, so you can see what's in the past, what's happened, and you get nice graphs. It really helps, yeah.
Can you just sort of talk us through the famous pork sandwich, from getting the bread out to serving it to the customer?
So there's a few combinations you've got to get right with the bread. So obviously the bread starts at night. The night bakers make the bread. That gets sliced here, packed to keep it nice for the deliveries. That gets delivered every morning early to the shops. The pork comes in, it's cured in tanks. That is then sent out to each shop. It is roasted at each shop. What you have to get right with the pork sandwich is the roasting, the bread, nice bread together, and you have to get we call it the meat juices. That gets dipped in, that makes it a nice tasty sandwich. We make the stuffing from any bread that's left. It's dried, any returns on bread, that's dried. Seasonings added, made into stuffing. And crackling, we have to buy half a ton every week to process to make crackling, because it's just not enough on the sandwich, on the actual joint. That in total, and the applesauce, we have to make that as well. That is combines to make the perfect pork sandwich.